Hi, I'm Dr. Shri. Today I would like to talk to you about snoring in adults. 50% of the population above the age of 50 snores, hence it is not an uncommon problem. However, if you notice your partner or your spouse or your friend is snoring very loudly and is struggling to breathe at night, he should be evaluated by your ENT surgeon. There is a possibility that these patients are suffering from obstructive sleep apnea, which needs to be evaluated and to be treated as soon as possible.